We're going to just choose the standard door hanger size, but you can choose any size that you like. We're going to browse our template designs to find one of our pre-made Keller Williams door hanger templates. Just going to choose the category right here, Keller Williams. And then right below the design, you're going to click Customize. Now every design is customizable in any way, so we give you a basic template to start, but you can build anything that you want. I'm logged in because it's easier to have your account already set up, so as soon as your design is ready to save, you can just click Continue to Save Design Page, and it will save it in your account. So here we start with the canvas. It has an image as a background here. This is like a standard image, but this is easily interchangeable. We're going to delete that just to show you some tools here to show you how easy it is. So we're going to use the rectangular tool, and we're going to create it pretty much the same color. We're just going to choose a standard red for now. That's a border, and if you don't want a border on it, like you can see, it's the border option. You can make it bigger if you like. And you have to send it to back here because this canvas has different elements stacked on top of one another, and you can control it just like that. Send it to the back or bringing it to the front, whatever image you may have. So now the next part, and then an important part is the image here of it's a photo, but we're going to delete it. You can double click on it and replace it with one of your images, but double clicking it, if your image is a different size, it might shrink it or stretch it out a little bit. So it's better to just delete the image by hitting delete. You come on the left here to image from gallery, and this is where you can add one of your own images. So here we have stock images where you can purchase some low cost images but high quality images having to do with your industry, like perhaps a home or something to just help enhance your design. But we're going to upload a design here. We're going to upload an image from our account on our machine, and this is going to be uh, a picture of you, or it could be any picture you want. So we're just going to get it somewhere here on the design so it looks good. You can resize it. Here we'll move the text around a little bit, and what we'll do is the big T here is a new text box. So let's add a new text box here, and we're going to put call now. We're going to raise the size here. Here you control the size of the text, so you can make it a little bit bigger or smaller, and you can italicize or make it bold depending on the font that you choose. So let's just take a different font right here, Remo. Let's make it bold. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And here we're going to bring this down towards the bottom because maybe you'll put your number there or something like that. Here's a Keller Williams logo, but again, you can upload any logo that you have. And all of the text is editable. You just click on it. It'll bring up this text element box where you can control it in several different ways. One of the most important features is aligning it. If you want things aligned to the left or to the right of the canvas, here you just click on one of these align tabs. The ones here above are for aligning it within a box, but here we're going to align it to the canvas. So that's just an example if you wanted to align things to the left or right. Or the center as well. It aligns it to the green line, which is the safe area. Going past that safe area brings it close to the cut line. That's where your design is going to be cut. So you want to keep it a little bit away because text or images might get clipped off if you get too close to the cut line. Once you have all of the design elements in place, there's some other tools here, a circular tool, a line tool if you want to draw some different lines or shapes and things like that. And here you can add an image from as a background, and here is the paint bucket tool to color the background. So obviously we're not going to use that color, but it gives you the point here of how you can easily color the background. There is redo and undo, which will come apparent as you start to do things. And one of the important features here is copy and paste. For instance, if you copy this image, and then paste it, it's going to paste it right on top of it. Then you can move it around. But if you're trying to mimic the same design on the back, you can just come here. It had a standard black back, but we'll make it white. And now when you paste, it puts this image exactly where it was on the front on the back, so you can easily duplicate the same design you have on the front just by copying paste different elements on the canvas. Once you have all of these designs in place, we have a preview tool here that gives you a close approximation of the design in a PDF in case you want to show others to get their approval. But the way the design looks in the studio is exactly how it's going to get printed. And we check generally for common errors and alignment issues and things like that to make sure your door hanger looks as best as it possibly can. Once the design is ready, you're going to come along the right side here and you're going to click Continue to Save Design Page. Once you click that, you're going to have the opportunity to name your door hanger so you can reference it later. And now once you name it, you're going to go to the Save Design page. Here you can, if you're going to check out, you can put in the different quantities and things like that. Or if you want to come back later and work on your design, you just have to check the Save My Design box and click Save and Continue Shopping or Save Design and proceed to checkout. Either way, once you click that, you've now saved your design. And if you go to your account and you go into your portfolio, you'll see that your design is right there, ready to go. I hope this helps you out. Thanks a lot.